How's it going, everybody? Here we've got a 2022. This is a Barletta. It's a Lusso. This is their 25-foot Ultra Entertainer Tri-Toon. We got it in the matte black and then the tan interior. It's a really good looking boat. Of course, anchor locker at the front there. Standard table here that flips up. Let's take a look at the front. This is the best bar table in the business. Goes back and forth. There's storage underneath this seat right there. Super heavy duty, nice table. These chairs do swivel. Of course, the best helm in the business. And how we do it. I mean, come on, why not, right? Gauges, wireless charging port right there, touchscreen SINRAD, Audison stereo system with a standard sub and amp. This boat will hold 14 people. Nice little added garbage can here and a pull out. And then a Ultra Entertainer right here at the back. Best of both worlds, you got a lounger and a bar. Battery switch. You still get that anchor locker at the back as well, or a cooler. Center gas fill, ski tow, fender holders. This one's powered by a 150 Merc. And the tan interior. And yeah, thanks for watching.